Hello and welcome. We're thrilled to have you join us for what is one of the most exciting product launches in Signia's recent history. As most of you know, I'm Sunir, and with me today are my colleagues Lewis and Emma. Later, we will also be joined by Matt from our training team. At Signia, we consider the effect stigma has on preventing people with a hearing loss from wearing hearing aids. And therefore, we are constantly pushing the boundaries to bring you the best hearing technology in the sleekest styles. And this launch is no exception. Today, we are introducing a game-changing upgrade that delivers seamless, high-quality connectivity like you've never experienced before, and we can't wait to show you what it can do.
Some of you may be adjusting your screen seeing me within a Signia setting, but I can assure you I am here. Why? Because cutting-edge technology isn't the only thing we're covering in this launch today. I'm here because recently we've communicated to you about our new and improved business development team structure, which we've designed to elevate your experience when working with us. We know that great technology is only as good as the support behind it, and that's why we've restructured our field-based team to offer you an even higher level of service and collaboration across our brands.
Exactly. Our team is now headed up by myself in the south of the UK and Lewis in the north of the UK and the Republic of Ireland. To align with this, we have even refined our territories so that our dedicated independent business development teams and our field marketing teams cover, ensuring you receive an even more tailored and hands-on support whenever you need it.
This is a structure unmatched by any other supplier in the industry. So whether it's product training, marketing assistance, or technical support you require, we're here to work alongside you as true business partners. Your success and growth is our priority, and this new structure allows us to be more agile, responsive, and aligned with your needs than ever before.
Thanks, guys. And hi, everyone. I've been heading up Signia's brand and marketing team since WSA formed back in 2019. And I agree with Sunir and Lewis. This is truly one of our biggest and most exciting leaps forward to date. With an unbeatable new product and a more connected, customer-focused team, today is all about empowering you to deliver the very best to those who walk through your doors. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, I just want to reflect on what makes Signia such a frontrunner in hearing care and why we are truly leaders in innovation. At Signia, innovation is at the heart of everything we do. Granted, innovation has recently become a bit of a buzzword within our industry, a term that often gets overused out of context. So I want to explain why at Signia I believe we can truly stand by the fact we are innovation leaders. To me, innovation is all about taking that first step, treading where others are too afraid to. In the context of our industry, it's about pushing boundaries, eliminating compromises, and ensuring hearing technology is more accessible and empowering than ever before. Over the years, we've introduced countless industry-first advancements that have reshaped hearing care, and in world firsts, we remain unmatched. From tackling the stigma associated with hearing aids head-on by creating several never-seen-before form factors to breaking technological barriers, with evidence-backed and scientifically proven data, our mission has remained the same: to enhance human performance through iconic innovations designed to shape the present and the future of the hearing aid industry. Our latest innovations are a testament to this commitment. We aspire to empower wearers to perform at their best, to gain an advantage, to be brilliant. Today, we're proud to unveil another breakthrough that further enhances the hearing experience for wearers, eliminating compromise while allowing you to focus on audiology first. Matt, over to you.
In modern audiology, it's fair to say that connectivity has evolved from an optional feature to an essential component. Today's wearers expect their hearing aids to integrate seamlessly into their digital lives, just like smartphones, wearables, and other smart home devices. We live in a connected world where interaction and forging strong relationships is central to many of our daily tasks. This shift is further driven by growing consumer demand for convenience, personalization, and effortless communication. Bluetooth technology in particular has revolutionized the experience, enabling smooth connections with their phones, TVs, and other devices. Signia is at the forefront of this transformation, ensuring that connectivity doesn't just enhance wearers' usability, but also supports better hearing outcomes. With that in mind, let's explore how our latest platform takes us even further. With this exciting launch, Signia acknowledges the importance of connectivity, but without any audiological, functional, or aesthetic compromises. What you see today is all built on Signia's leading integrated experience platform, which is evidence-backed to deliver a whopping 22% better speech understanding in noisy group conversations, even when compared to one of our competitors who have an AI co-processor-driven platform. Hearing in group conversation, especially noisy environments, can be incredibly challenging. That's why the Signia IX features a real-time conversation enhancement, a world-first multi-stream architecture that actively tracks and enhances multiple speakers in real time.
As Matt already mentioned, critically, this technology is also evidence-backed. At the end of 2024, we released a white paper comparing Signia IX with other top hearing aid brands, which found that Signia IX delivers a whopping 3.2 dB signal-to-noise ratio advantage, offering twice the speech enhancement benefit in noisy group settings compared to competitors. With real-time conversation enhancement, wearers never miss out. They stay fully engaged no matter how and where the conversation evolves. Like anything you build, in order for it to be strong, it needs good foundations, right?
Sure. Where are you going with this?
Well, that goes the same for our launch today. A newly enhanced support team, check. An industry-leading brand that never sits on our laurels, check. And an incredible, proven technology platform, check.
Agreed. I'm very excited for this one. Just when you thought IX couldn't get any better,
I think it's good, but there's something more, that it could run.
We're using 2.17%.
There you have it. Bluetooth connectivity transformed. Pretty amazing stuff. We are beyond excited to introduce the Pure Charge&Go BCT IX, the smallest Bluetooth Classic compatible hearing aid on the market.
This is the future of connectivity, where you can offer your customers a world where audiology comes first, without compromise. It's the smallest Bluetooth Classic compatible hearing aid available, and as Sunir has mentioned, it also delivers up to 36 hours of runtime, by far the longest battery life in its class.
E2E 4.0 technology ensures it's twice as fast as any other Bluetooth Classic hearing aid, because it's the only one that also offers near-field magnetic induction technology, meaning you can now offer your patients universal connectivity with MFI, ASHA, Bluetooth Classic, and LE audio. So whatever your preference or your patient's preference for phones, you know that there is a small, sleek, and fully featured device available to them on the proven IX platform.
And we're not stopping there. We're also upgrading and completing our Intio IX custom range by adding both ITC and IT battery-powered form factors to the portfolio. These will be available in technology level 7 to 1 and a range of colours for wearers to choose from. Built for tailored comfort whilst offering wearers the benefits and clout of the IX platform, this is another valuable addition to our already extensive range.
it's important to note this launch isn't all about hearing aids. We're also excited to introduce the Signia TV Sound, our stylish new accessory. Designed with both style and function in mind, it features auto-detect and auto-connect functionality for seamless pairing, broadcast capability to multiple hearing aids, ultra-low latency for real-time audio synchronization under 30 milliseconds, immersive and rich Dolby sound quality, and simple LED indicators for power, pairing, and streaming status. So today, it isn't just about connectivity. It's about effortlessly high-quality hearing in any situation. With these innovations, Signia is leading the way in connectivity, convenience, and choice, all built upon real-world tested, proven technology platform. Simply put, we're bringing audiology without compromise.
And there you have it. We've covered a lot today, from our new team structure to groundbreaking advancements in connectivity and audiology, but most importantly, our innovations provide the tools to ensure your customers can enjoy an uncompromised hearing experience.
With Pure Charge&Go BCT IX added to our portfolio, only with Signia do you now have the option to provide connectivity options for all wearer preferences, powered by real-world evidence-backed powerhouse that is the IX platform. In a discreet and stylish housing with multiple charger and colour options, this really is a milestone launch offering, not forgetting the Incio range extensions and our new sound accessory to boot. You now have more ways than ever to help your customers stay connected, hear clearly, and fully engage in conversations.
Of course, we invite you to experience these innovations for yourself. So please reach out to your local business development manager for more details. As we mentioned earlier, we are committed to offering unparalleled service and partnership to independent hearing care professionals across the UK and Ireland. So whether you are being looked after by our team in the north or by our team in the south, let's continue to push boundaries together and redefine hearing care.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We're incredibly excited for what's ahead, and we can't wait to see how these new solutions enhance both your business and your customers' lives. With Signia, you really can have it all, and together we can be brilliant. That's it from us. Take care and see you soon.